Hello friends, this is Sachin Thakkar and today we are going to start most important MCQs of MSc Chemistry Semester 1, Group Theory, Spectroscopy and Diffraction Method. This is an elective subject and this subject is very useful for HNGU University students. So let's start our first question. In Raman spectroscopy using mercury vapor lamp, answer the stock line is more intense than the anti-stock lines. Second question, ESR spectra are observed in dash region. Answer radio frequency. Third question, Raman effect is answer inelastic scattering of light. Fourth question, both NMR and NQR spectra are observed in dash region. Answer liquid state. Fifth question, the molecule which is IR inactive but Raman active is. Answer N2. Sixth question, reversal of electron spin observation spectrum in radio frequency is due to. Answer reversal of electron spin. Seventh question, the rotational microwave spectrum of rigid diatomic rotor consists of equally spaced line with spacing equal to. Answer 2b, where b is rotational constant. Eighth question, in the Raman spectrum, the lines scattering at right angle with frequency lower than the original are called dash, while those with the higher frequency are called dash. Answer stock and anti-stock respectively. Ninth question, the increase in rotational energy source observation spectrum is. Answer microwave region. Tenth question, what is the main factor on which chemical shift depend in Mossberg spectra? Answer electron density. 11th question, for pure vibrational spectra, the selection rule is. Answer plus or minus 1. 12th question, the bond length in Cn minus is 0.029 nanometer. The position of second line in the microwave spectrum is. Answer 0.264 centimeter inverse. 13th question, Mossberg effect will occur when. Answer all. The gamma ray energy is small, the temperature of crystal source is small, and the Debye temperature of crystallite is high. 14th question, the NMR of line observed in the low resolution NMR and high resolution NMR spectrum of acetone are respectively. Answer 1 1. 15th question, which of the following statement is true? Answer electronic band spectra are observed in visible and UV regions. 16th question, the frequency of UV radiation is greater than. Answer microwave and IR radiation. 17th question, the vibrational rotational spectrum is observed in dash region. Answer near infrared. 18th question, radio, 18th question, Raman frequency is dash the frequency of incident light and in characteristic only of the substance exposed to the incident light. Answer independent of. 19th question, which of the following molecule may show absorption in the infrared? Answer CH3CH3. 20th question, state which of the following molecule can show a pure rotational microwave spectrum? Answer HCl. 21st question, the selection rule of the translation energy level in the Raman spectrum is. Answer plus or minus 2. 22 question. Mosuber and NQR spectra are observed in answer liquid state. 23 question. The ES 23 question. The ESR spectrum of CD3 free radical, the nuclear spin of 2D equal to 1 consists of answer 1 gem, 3 gem, 6 gem, 7 gem, 6 gem, 3 gem, 1 spitlet. 24th question. The ESR spectrum of anthracene radical anion consists of answer 75 lines. 25th question. The difference between the incident and scattered frequency in the Raman spectrum is called answer Raman frequency. 26th question. The symmetric stretching mode of SiF4 molecule. Answer is IR active. 27th question. BF3 is more stable than the separated B and F atom because answer the bonding electron pair are attached to and stretched by two nuclei as opposed to one. 28th question. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer the symmetric stretching mode of PCl3 is IR active and Raman active. 29th question. CO2 has answer 4 vibrational mode of answer 4 vibrational mode 2 of which degenerate. 30 question. Which of the following does not contain C3 axis? Answer CLF3. 31 question. Para, dichlorobenzene and naphthalene belong to which point group? Answer both D2H. 32 question. Staggered form a ferrobenzene belong to which of the 32 question. Staggered form a ferrobenzene 32 question. Staggered form of ferrocene belong to the following point group. Answer D5D. 33 question. Center of inversion is absent in the following point group. Answer TD means tetrahedral. 34th. Cyclohexane belong to which point group? Answer D3D. 35th question. Trans 1,2 dichloroethylene and cis 1,2 dichloromethylene belong to answer C2H of C2V point group. 36th. Which of the following symmetry element does cis N2F2 contain? Answer A. C2 axis. 37th question. Eclipse form of ferrocene belong to following point group. Answer D5H. 38th question. Which of the following belong to C2V group? Answer 1,2-dichlorobenzene and H2S. 39th question. Which of the following molecule and ion has S4 axis? Answer SO4 2 minus. 40 question. Which of the following give the correct description of the vibrational mode of SO3 and how many absorption do this vibrational mode give rise to on the IR spectrum of SO3? Answer symmetric stretch, asymmetric stretch, 1 absorption. 41 question. Which pairing of molecule and point group is 41 question. Which pairing of molecule and point group is correct? Answer CHCl3 C2V. 42 question. Pi donor complex is of 42 question. Pi donor complexes of the D3 ion tends to be more active than D0 pi donor complexes because answer the LPFs answer the LFSE is less negative for the pi donor complexes. 43 question. The following metal ion would passes 43, the following metal ions would possesses an s equal to 1 by 2 spin state in which state in a field 43, the following metal ions would possesses an s equal to 1 by 2 spin state in a weak field pi donor octahedral metal complexes. Answer Cu2 plus. 44th question. An octahedral X5 6 molecule exhibit two T1A IR active modes. Which statement is true? Answer. Each T1A mode is triply degenerate and each give rise to one absorption in the IR spectrum of XY6. 45 question. CF2 double bond CF2 belongs to which point group? Answer D2H. 46th question. Cis AB4 C2 and trans AB4 C2 belong to which point group? Answer C2V and D4H. 47. The NMR spectra of 1H and 19F are most easily obtained due to answer their high natural abundance and magnetogyric ratios. 48th question. Which of the following species possesses both C3 and C2 axis? Answer SO3. 49th question. Which of the following molecule or ions possesses an inversion center, means center of symmetry? Answer PF6 minus. 50 question. The number of vibrational freedom possesses by CH4 is answer 9. Dear friends, if you want to join our Telegram and WhatsApp group, the link is available in description box and you can also get the PDF from blog also. Thank you.